Today I'm working on a Bosch refrigerator. The customer complaint is that the freezer isn't maintaining temperature and sometimes gets too warm. This is the evaporator here. As we can see, it's all iced up. So this is a defrost issue. This is the connector to the defrost heater. When I was here testing the last time, it was clearly open. So I got a new one here from Bosch. We'll install this, melt out all that ice, and it should be good to go. So this one is the old one. We can see that there's a puncture mark in this old heater. This is the new one that's installed. All that ice is defrosted. So we'll just put it back together and it should be all fixed.